Foshan, SNAT Energy Electric Technology Company Limited, founded in 2010. Foshan, SNAT Energy Electric Technology Company Limited, is a seasoned provider of one-stop electrical and solar energy solutions, boasting robust, comprehensive strength. We specialize in the R&D production and sales of a full range of solar products, including solar inverters, portable solar systems, MPPT charge controllers, hybrid and three-phase solar inverters, solar batteries and panels, which are widely applied in household, telecommunications, power grid infrastructure, and industrial sectors worldwide. Our manufacturing base was ISO 9001 certified in 2018, underpinning standardized production and reliable quality. Our product portfolio covers the entire solar energy system industrial chain, with all products backed by an official global warranty. Free replacement parts are delivered to customers during the warranty period. We have a professional R&D and technical team adhering to customer centricity and persistent innovation, having built long-term stable partnerships with numerous global clients, and our cutting-edge core technologies create a distinctive competitive edge for partners. Upholding stringent quality control and high manufacturing standards, SNAT is steadily emerging as a renowned new energy brand, earning an excellent global reputation for reliable products and services. As a pioneer in the global new energy sector, we have participated in numerous international solar exhibitions to boost brand influence and build a global cooperation network. Fully poised for further global market expansion, we sincerely look forward to partnering with more international distributors and traders for a win-win future.